So KRN Heat Exchanger is one of the successful IPOs that we have seen recently, and it rallied around 80% in just 2 months of listing. But after that it had a long 5 months of sideways action. But yesterday it gave around 15% gain in just one day. So is this the beginning of a new trend? Is this a breakout? Let's find out in this video, where we'll focus completely on the price action of KRN Heat Exchanger. And I have made multiple videos on this stock. I'll share the link in the description section. If you have not watched them, please go and check them out after you watch this video. Okay, so before we get started, just a reminder that this is not a stock recommendation video. This is just an educational video to help you make better investment and trading decisions. With that said, let's get started. Alright, hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. So this is KRN Heat Exchanger, and you can see that the stock rallied from this point to this point rapidly around 79-80%. Okay, so that was fast, 2 months move. Then after this hitting this level of around 1000, it did touch 1000. Okay, cross 1000, then it gave a sideways action of around 147 days, so you can consider 5 months. But yesterday, if we see, you can see this big green candle of 14.29%, and if we check the volume is also very high for this candle. And you must be thinking, what is this black line? Well, this is the anchored VWAP that I have drawn, and I have used this point as a reference because this is the beginning of the downtrend. From here it came down around 27. Okay, if we measure from here, it is around 30%. Okay, so that's why I have marked it here. You can also put it here, not a problem. Okay, anything is fine. But the bottom line is, it has actually broken this anchored VWAP level. Okay, and there are other strategies where we can use two anchored VWAP, one first at the very top and second at the next swing high. And if we do that, we can see that yes, it has crossed both of them. Okay, now it is starting to go. But the thing is that, is this the beginning of a new trend? Well, in order to confirm that, we will have to see it in some other perspective. Okay, you see, if we use the 50 days EMA, we can see the 50 days EMA, this thin blue line has also turned in the upward direction. The stock is also respecting that, and you can see after that it gave a massive big green candle. So there is a very high probability that it could continue the uptrend from here. Okay, because the candlestick is big with strong volumes that I showed you. I am enabling the volume again. You can see big green candle with big strong volume bar. That is a good sign. Then 50 days EMA has turned upward and has started providing support. Then the price action is staying above the anchored VWAP level. Okay, these are multiple factors which are confirming that yes, uptrend has started. And if we check the momentum indicators RSI and CCI, you can see the RSI has started using the 50 level as the support, and then it gave a bounce above the 60 level. Okay, 50 level is the support. Now it has gone up above 60 level. You can see it is trading at 70.50 level in daily time frame. And same with CCI. The CCI level has gone up above 100. You can see 142. So above 100 means strong trend. That is what we consider normally. So both the momentum indicators have also confirmed that yes, it could continue the uptrend from here. Okay, and if I check the weekly time frame and again go to enable the momentum indicators, I'm seeing the same thing. Okay, although this has not crossed above 100 as of now, it is 86, but you can see this one has gone up above 60. So normally this marks the beginning of a new uptrend. So what I feel is that KRN Heat Exchanger could start a rally from here. So if I remove this and use this moving averages, we can see the 10 week and 30 week moving average has also turned upward, and obviously because 50 period also has turned upward, so definitely these will also be turning upwards. So all the factors are clearly confirming that this could be the beginning of a new trend, and it could continue its journey upward. So is this a good time to invest? I would say, first of all, for considering a stock for investment, you have to do the deep analysis yourself. Fundamentals are extremely important, and here I am just highlighting the price action that technically it could be a good time, okay, because the stock is actually starting to go up. But I would say today the date is 8th, okay, I think it's 8th or 9th. One second, just a second. Today is today is 8th, okay. So you have to watch the price action today, okay, how it is performing, because yesterday it did give a big green candle. You have to wait for one more day to confirm. If the price stays above the middle part of this level, let's say around 875, a rough level, 875 level, even if there is a red candle, okay, and it does not cross the middle part of this 875, okay, then you can consider, yes, this breakout is actually a strong one and it could continue uptrend from here. Then tomorrow onwards you can consider making entry if you want to, okay, but today you have to watch. That's all, okay. So that was all about KRN Heat Exchanger. I hope this short video was useful and informative. If you like the video, please share this with other people who are actually serious on investment in good high quality stocks. And also, if you are liking my analysis, consider joining the Financial Impulse community, where you will get more stock analysis posts, and also you will be able to chat with me directly one to one on Discord. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye. Take care.